Okay, welcome back. What I want to do is to look at basic practical skills in regards to electrical installation. Okay, and what I want to ensure is that you're familiar with some of this information that we can use. Okay. Now just bear with me for a second. I'm just trying to get it in frame. Okay. Now, here we're going to look at electricians' tools. And overall you have here hammers. And what I want to look at, I'm going to notice is you will notice there is a ball peen hammer. Okay. It's normally used for shaping metal, but it is quite good for hammering nails and sinking them into wood. Okay. And here are samples of hammers and the hammers we're talking about. Okay. Okay, now this is self-explanatory in its own way, so I don't need to do a lot of talking. Now here you have some lump hammers, and I've put in samples of new version lump hammers of today's world. Okay. Saws. Oh, let's just look at this. These are keyhole saws and so forth. Okay. Pad saw. Flowing board saw. Okay. Hacksaw. Now these are various types of cutters that can be used to punch holes into certain material. Okay. These are various types of files. Okay. And here you're looking at the hole punch, okay? And that tells you how it actually cuts the hole. So read the information, okay? And center punches, okay? And countersink punches. And these are types of breast drills, okay? Now these are, it's called breast drill because it's held against your breast chest, okay, which allows you to put more leverage into drilling a hole, okay? Now this is a star drill. You twist it as you hit it, okay, in order to punch a hole. And that's how we used to do things. And these are the various types of wrenches and footprints or grips that we can use, okay? I'm hoping that the writing on these comes out okay. Okay, so it can be read. Again, it's self-explanatory, okay? So I don't need to do a lot of talking on this. Now if this is too small, I'll have to, the print size, I'll have to try and make it larger, okay? So bear with me for a moment while I try to get this. I've tried to make it larger so we can see everything on here, the wording. So bear with me, so hopefully it has come up, okay? Especially when you're stripping MI cable, minimal insulated cable, okay? It's fire resistant. These are the tools you would use, the crimping tool and the straightening tool. Okay. Okay, I think that's it for us now. Let me just go back a little bit just to make sure that I haven't missed anything out. Okay, yes. Okay, I hope you found this useful. Okay, and have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.